Hi, everyone. Welcome to this episode of MedTech Minis. I'm your host, Susie Ingwell. Today, I am thrilled to have Jason Winder, who's the CEO of Sonogen Medical, with us. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Hey, Susie, glad to be here. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, I'm excited to learn a little bit more about what you guys are doing. So before you kick into what your solution looks like, tell us a little bit about the inspiration as to why you started Sonogen.
So this is actually my father's technology. He is an interesting guy. He spent the first half of his career in anti-submarine warfare, working sonar problems for the U.S. Navy, and
Wow.
middle of his life, he pivoted to medical ultrasound and ultimately became one of the world's leading experts in therapeutic and diagnostic ultrasound in the world. He's a talented biophysicist, and he had an idea. So here we are.
I love that. That's such a cool story. So tell us a little bit about Sonogen Medical. What do you guys do? How does it work?
So we are working to commercialize a next generation bone fracture healing device based on shear wave ultrasound. So we are actually going to be the world's first therapeutic bone fracture healing device that uses shear wave acoustics, which heretofore has really only been used for diagnostic applications. We've already done some initial preclinical testing and showed that our technology heals 30% faster than anything available on the market today. We're very
That's
excited.
crazy. That's great. I didn't know about that 30% thing. So I'm so glad that I asked you. That's fantastic. Tell us a little bit more, like where are you in the progress? When will you be on market? What else should we know about what you guys are doing?
Well, we have an engineering prototype device complete. We're actually working on our commercial prototype right now. We should have that all wrapped up in about 2 to 3 months, whereupon we'll have to do some of that mandatory third-party testing that everybody loves, and then after that, it's into the FDA for approval. We're expecting approval by middle of next year or so. So
And what's your FDA pathway?
so it is a class 3 medical device, so it's a PMA, but we'll be following the 6-year rule. It's a little
Okay.
known equivalence pathway for class 3 devices. We'll be actually claiming substantial equivalence against other ultrasonic bone fracture healing devices on the market, although we have managed to thread the needle between substantially equivalent and patentable technology that heals substantially better than our predicate devices.
Amazing. And then will there be any type of reimbursement codes for hospitals that want to use this technology?
Yep, there are already HSCPS codes and CPT codes for this technology. So codes are already there and ready to go.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I feel like this is an area that really needs some improvement, and I haven't really seen a lot of products in this space. So I'm thrilled about it. What else should we know about you?
Yeah, I mean, there hasn't really been any innovation in this space in the last 30 years. So we're excited to bring some new innovation, some new lifeblood to a space, and hopefully heal some people. It's really exciting to have the opportunity to try to get bone fracture patients, especially ones that aren't healing naturally on their own, back on their feet faster and more reliably. So we're very excited to see what the future holds for us.
Yeah, I'm excited for it too. I hope that I can have you back on once your product is on market so we can talk about some of the great results that you're having. So promise me you'll come back and do that. In the meantime, how do we get a hold of you if people want to learn more about what you're doing?
So I'm Jason at sonogenmed.com. You can also visit us on the web at sonogenmed.com as well. Or via LinkedIn. You can always reach out. I'm JH Winder on LinkedIn. So happy to chat with anybody. And we are raising right now, so I still have a seed round open. So be excited to talk to anybody who might be interested on getting in on the ground floor or something great.
Fantastic. I'm guessing you're going to have a lot of takers because this technology is really cool. Thank you so much for joining us today. Like I said, hope to see you back on when your product's on market. But until then, please keep us posted on what's going on.
Absolutely will do. Thanks so much for having me, Susie.
Thank you.